In this video, I'm going to be explaining what are functions definition and calling functions, how you define a function and how you can call a function. Okay, in this example of the code, we have already created a function that will sum a number numbers from a number to another number. Okay, and this is what we call, and we can call the function using this. But what I'm going to show you is this one. What is function definition? So this is how you define a function. Okay, and this is the return type. Okay, the return type can be void. If you don't return anything, it can be void. Okay, and if you if the function returns something, then you should specify the variables. Okay, the variable types, for example, integer, float, double, or any other variable types. Okay, and this is the function name. Okay, function name. Okay, and in this case, this is the parameters. Okay, call it parameters. Okay, and in here this is called formal parameter. Okay, formal parameter. So formal parameter. Okay, and the whole thing here is the function header. Okay, so this whole thing here is the function header, and this one is the function body. Okay, so it can be the function body. The whole thing here is the function body that contains the statements to perform the specific task that the function is supposed to do. Okay, and the way you call the function is just simply by calling the name of the function. Okay, and specify this is how you call a function. Okay, and here is the actual parameter, or we can call it actual argument. Okay, actual parameter or actual arguments. Okay, because these are all the actual values that you're going to pass. Okay, but for here, these are the formal parameter. Okay, formal parameters can be actual formal argument. Okay, formal parameters or argument. Okay, because it specify what are the types and the order of the types that you should how many parameters that you should receive. That's why it is called formal parameter, and this is called the actual parameters because you specify the actual value that you want to use to be passed to this function. Okay, and if the function does not return anything, you should specify it as void. Okay, now what happened is that, for example, the program will start to run from the beginning of the main function, line by line, towards this function call. So whenever this function is being called, the function execution, the execution of the program will jump to this function. Okay, starting from here, line by line, until it finish the functions. Once the function has been fully executed, it will resume back to this location, okay, to this location where the function was called, and continue with the rest of this code. But just happen that this is another function call, so it will go back to this function and executing line by line of the statements in the code in the function, finish executing this function and resume back to this location, and it continues for the rest of this code. Okay, so that is how you can that is how you define function and call functions.